So I was looking for a new smile. My smile that I have now is pretty bad. Here it is. So I was constantly seeing an ad for pop-on veneers, so I decided to go ahead and check them out. So I got on my Google and I Googled them and I found their sites and I went ahead and did an order. Within 2 days, I received my kits, did my impressions. Within about a week and a half, I got my veneers back, and here's my new smile. My new smile, I love it. I get so many compliments. I work in the hotel industry. I'm a front desk person, so I do come in contact with a lot of people, and pop-on veneers gave me my confidence back. So if you want a pretty smile, well, pop-on veneers is where you need to go.